I love my iPad 5th generation for note-taking. It has so many features that are so useful when studying. My fave feature is that its thin bezels give me so much screen space to write on. Did you know that I can charge my Apple Pencil wirelessly too? So cool! The next best thing is I have my handwriting text-to feature. Just go to Settings, then look for Apple Pencil. And enable Scribble feature. Come study with me. Let's open the Kilonotes app. I'm gonna study about the heart or the cardiovascular system. Let's put a nice title. Let's change the font too. I discovered a new font, so let's try it. I start things with adding pictures, so let's do that. There you go. Did you know that Kilonotes has an audio recording feature that is so useful? Just tap this icon. Now let's listen to my video lecture and take notes as well. Phew, that was a great study with me session. What device do you guys use when taking notes?